Hello बच्चों, today I will start exercise 7C. In this exercise we will find out how to calculate the area of given triangle. Area of triangle. Suppose there is a triangle ABC. In coordinate geometry there would be certain points of the vertex. Let this be x1, y1, this point be x2, y2, and this point be x3, y3. It does mean in the question points, numerical points would be given. You will have to consider those points x, y, x2, y2, x3, y3, etc. So I am just writing once again here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area is calculated by the formula. Formula also related by the small triangle, or in words you can also write area. Area is equal to, this is 1 upon 2 curly bracket x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1, in this way formula pattern. When you are taking x1, within bracket y2 and y3 will be taken, difference of, means y2 minus y3. In cyclic order, if you consider, first 1 will come, then 2, then 3. If outside is 1, inside it is 2 minus 3. When outside is 2, x2, inside it would be 3 minus 1. When outside is 3, it would be 1 minus 2. In this cyclic order pattern you can consider or learn the formula. Simply learn the formula, but pattern whatever I am just explaining this. This is the formula. Simply putting the values in this formula you can calculate the given formula. Rather you can also understand, if it is coming a negative quantity, area is always taken as positive, then you have to place a modulus sign like this. Modulus sign means overall quantity will be taken as positive. Exercise 7C, I am taking question number 1. In this question, point 2 comma 3 has been given, minus 3 comma 4 has been given, and 7 comma 5. In the order you can take, it is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. For the sake of convenience I am writing this literal x1 y1 etc., or you can yourself do, but when you will write you will get convenience. Now applying the formula, area is equal to 1 upon 2 modulus sign curly bracket. Follow the formula. X1 means 2 into 4 minus 5. You would have got the process. Outside are x1, x2, x3, and inside y2, y3, etc. are subtracted. Plus x2 is minus 3, then minus 3 within bracket, and y3 minus y1. y3 means 5 minus 3, plus x3 means 7 into 3 minus 4. 1 upon 2 modulus 2 into minus 1, this will become minus 3 into 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 it is 2, plus 7 into minus 1, 1 upon 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 7, 1 upon 2, this will become 6 to 8, 8 and 7 15, minus 15, 1 upon 2 into 15. Mod of minus 15 would be 15. Simply 15 upon 2 is the area. The unit of area is centimeter square or meter square etc., but unit is not given in, then you will write unit square. This would be the answer. 15 by 2 centimeter square. This is the whole concept of the chapter, whether the numerical points or the literal points. Literal means in question number 4 and 5 literal points are given. You will have to solve in the same manner. One of the literal point I will explain later on. In online class, I will conduct some classes as earliest as possible. So far, you simply understand the formula, solve the questions, and also the examples of the exercise, whatever given. You can also understand some points from the example. Now, this chapter ends today. This much is the topic. Exercise 7D is the miscellaneous. You should solve this on your own. This will contain all exercise 7A, B, C combined questions. And this chapter ends today. Now you solve this exercise 7C today. Thank you.